In a lonely house at the end of the street, a doorbell hadn't rung for years. Dust covered the porch, and silence filled the rooms. Show the house waiting patiently, hoping someone would return one day. One afternoon, a tired traveler arrived with nowhere to go. They pressed the old doorbell, and its chime echoed for the first time in ages. The house seemed to awaken with warmth and light. Inside, the traveler found comfort, food, and a safe place to rest. Word spread, and more lonely hearts began visiting the house. The doorbell rang again and again, each time bringing hope to someone new. Moral: a single act of welcome can open the door to healing, warmth, and new beginnings.